Hey, this is Adam, and I got my son Jax here with what's your channel called?
ADV Bros.
Yeah, so this is our very first video that we're doing, so stick with us. I'm going to teach him how to change the oil in this Harbor Freight Predator 3500 generator. You ready to do it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Jax, so we're going to change the oil. Are you ready to do it?
Yep.
What tools are you using?
A ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket.
Okay. And what's your first step?
First step, unscrew this.
Now we set it up on bricks to get it off the ground to make room for our oil bowl that we're going to drain into. So, down in here, what's our drain plug?
That's our drain plug.
No, that's your oil fill.
That's our drain plug, and that's our oil fill.
Yep, and that also has the dipstick in it, right?
Yeah.
So that's how we check to see if we have enough when we put it back. So the first thing we want to do, we'll make sure that that oil drain is lined up. You see the little hole underneath it that it drains out of?
Yep.
So we want to make sure that's lined up, and go ahead and take your bolt out. Once you get it loose, it's probably easier just to use the extension.
Wait.
Now if it's really cold, it might be a good idea to run your generator for a few minutes to let the oil warm up, but it's not too bad today.
There it goes.
Yep. Just keep all that stuff clean on your towel. You can see it starting to come out. Go ahead and take your oil fill out and lay it on the towel. Keep everything very clean, okay? Because you don't want anything to get down in your engine. Alright, we're going to let this drain for a few minutes and come back. Okay, so the oil just pretty much done draining, right?
Yeah.
So go ahead and wipe your dirt off. Get it clean.
And wipe that mess off right there.
Yeah.
All the oil.
You might have to wipe it again after we get the plug in, but just try to make it clean. It's still dripping a little bit. That's okay. Go ahead and put your plug in.
Alright. Put that right there. And we're gonna...
Remember, you always want to start your bolt with your hand.
Oh, yeah.
That way, if it's cross-threaded, you can tell, and it won't mess anything up.
Alright, got that in smoothly. Gotta keep everything clean.
Alright, just get that snugged up with your ratchet.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to do it now so you don't forget. Or you got to flip your little thing. That's good.
There you go. And I'm gonna wipe one more time.
Yeah, just keep it clean. Makes it easier to work with. Alright, put your funnel in. We're going to pour oil back in.
Gotta keep that funnel nice and clean.
There you go. See, wipe out that comb. See, you got a little stuff in there?
Yeah.
You can use your fingers if you want to. Now, the manual says we need 20 ounces of 10W30 oil. We have a couple of half-used bottles. We're going to start with this one. It'll be mostly what we need. If you pour, look, if you turn this bottle,
Oh, yeah.
pour it that way, you'll have less of a mess. And remember, go slow. Go ahead. If you need to hold your funnel up a little bit, you can do that too. There you go. Go ahead.
You always want to pour slow so it doesn't come back.
You can go faster than that, buddy. You can pour faster than that.
I know, I'm trying, because it's almost out. I'm trying not to get too much.
We will definitely use the rest of what's in there, so you can just pour it. Just don't let it overflow. Don't let it overflow. Alright, let's give that a minute to run in.
So it's how much?
It was like 15 ounces.
The rest of that one?
You probably use most of what's left, but not all of it. So just pour a little in, and we'll stop and we'll check it.
A little more?
How much is left? Look, we'll give that a second to run in, and then we'll check it with the dipstick. Do you know how to read a dipstick?
Yeah, I think.
I'm gonna show it.
Oh, yeah.
So we want to make sure that the oil is in the top of those little lines there. See where it says full?
Yep.
So pull your funnel out. And make sure you lay it on the towel.
Oh, crap.
Put that dipstick in, but don't screw it in. And then pull it straight back out. And what's it on? So we're about halfway? Something like that?
Yeah.
Alright, so leave that out. Put your funnel back. Let's pour a little more in.
Yeah, what about? Where's the? Where did it go?
Not too much.
Yeah, didn't want to come out that way. Alright. Let me set that cap down.
Have you poured some in already?
Yeah.
Just don't go too far. We'll test it again.
No?
Huh?
You think?
I didn't see how much you poured in. Did you pour some in?
Yeah.
Well, then let's give it a second to run in and check it again. You need to wipe that dipstick off each time you test it to make sure that you're testing accurately. Alright, pull the funnel. Let's try it and see. Straight in and straight out. Okay, so you saw about how much you poured. And It
Yeah.
got us about half of what we needed. So you probably need to pour about that much again. Put your funnel in.
Gotta wipe that dipstick off. It's about what I poured.
Alright, let's let that run in. We'll check it again. Even though the manual says we need 20 ounces, we know that'll get us about where we need to, but the only way to tell for sure what's in there is with that dipstick, right?
Yeah.
So the dipstick tells us when we're full.
Want me to take it out?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
And gotta wipe that dipstick off. Make sure there's nothing on it. That's it.
That full?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in. Just put it back. Thread it in.
You don't want to go too tight though.
Yeah, it seals with an O-ring, so you just need it to be snug. And then put your panel back on.
Do you want me to tighten it? I snugged it.
Yeah, that's fine. I thought you got it tight before. Do you want me to check it for you?
No, I think that's good.
Let me double check it, since we learning. Yeah, you had it good. Okay.
Told you.
Alright, let me double check this too. Alright. Remember, put the tabs on the bottom end first.
Yeah, you do that, and
Just thread it in.
screw it back in, and you're done.
So, that was the first time you changed the oil on this. What'd you think?
Pretty good.
Was it really hard?
No,
It's not too bad, huh?
no, probably a 15-minute thing.
Yeah. So next time you can do it by yourself?
Probably.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching our one of our first videos for ADV Bros.
Remember, like and subscribe.
That's right.